I think it's. Oh no, they're on the same system.
Oh yeah, this turns on and off freight service.
Yeah, what's this place called? Local?
It's called Arlington Tower.
Arlington Tower. Okay.
Sure.
Oh, local at Larimar. That's the.
Yeah, we have a local by Larimar with the vintage of this.
Oh, that's cool. It's this one. All right, I'm gonna head downstairs. I'll see you. Got the green sensors. These things sound like they're just wearing out. Let's see. Watch the doors close real quick. I'll hit a floor. Oh, did they do it? I think they do. That sensor thing. Gonna head down to SB. This thing isn't crazy fast, but it's not too slow either. Indicator up there. I'll have to ask Sam if he knows what kind this was previously. Places down here is really creepy. There's a giant camera. That's funny. Call station here. I think this is a parking. I'll get another elevator. I'll wait for it. Okay, we got one. Same one. Really? Is this like the only one that works? Pretty nice cabs, but basic. Hand sanitizer and that sign. Head back up to PH. Sign has your typical stuff in it. Just one person in the elevator. Wash your hands with that thing. Usual stuff. This isn't crazy fast, but it's not like slow either. Just a basic innovation. Looks like they just smacked on a panel and interior, and that was it. That's it.